before.
Police?
So yes, but I don't keep person for Nigeria, but I chop bribe. Almost all the armed robber for Benin, I know all of them. And they collect bribe for their hand.
He almost all the whole armed robber for Benin Kingdom.
Yeah, yes,
you they collect bribe. How they give you bribe?
Yes, when the one when I say arrest, we can't go his house. When we go search his house, we can't find gun because person report say he use gun threatening now. So when I can't reach the area and I can't be area where me they stay. So because of that one, when we call they search the house now, I can't see the gun. But I not tell the rest policeman say I don't see the gun. No, I can't keep quiet. I can't your right say I don't see anything for the house. Everybody can sign. We can't come on. So later now, the family come meet me for house. Come they talk say I no bring the gun come on because they say I see her. So from there now, the boy now come be my friend. They come they tell everybody say see her they help her. So they come they give me money. So maybe if anything just happen, I will just know say na them, but I know they arrest them. And we see they arrest innocent people, and when they don't do anything, we just collect money. But I don't kill anybody, no blood in my hands. But the only thing when I do, maybe person just thief something now, I just know say that the person thief, I just go meet and say, may give me my own for inside. If you just give me, I just allow and go, I not do anything. So now
then all those armed robber, if they arrest, they come on a police station, they free them.
Yes, who they collect money for their hand free. They will not get money for inside. Who not see money bring, will carry and go court. So who see money bring come, will they allow, will collect money for my allow and go.
But I know verse, so I think say na police, now then they repair land.
Normally, na police suppose repair land. So this why I join all those groups. He get one man when come from abroad when he use gun take shoot person. So we can go arrest the man now, come station. Before we know, we can transfer the case go state CID. Before we reach state CID, our guy for state CID just release on bail. I mean, we see the gun that time. So anytime we arrest criminal, our guy will release on bail. So when we come say we risk our life to the arrest, and then they release we be the enemy, and we they come outside. Now we say see join them. No, maybe not say we. Now me say see join them. Because it's risky for me to the arrest them or God would release. So now because instead of me to be enemy to the waka, now me the waka for street. They me say join them, so I can't really join them become their friend. Don't be saying my tension, but for me to stay safe.
Then I want to ask you another thing. If I'm robber the thief, they can't call una say, Mona come, I'm robber una they go.
No, with the reach road, with the let the robber finish before we we'll go there. Or we reach road will stay first before the robber will finish before we we'll buy blow alarm, go past the area.
Una go one because the armed robber people una don't already know them.
We didn't know many of them. We depends on the area. We didn't know some of them well.
And so una go hand for road, make the rob finish before una come say now una they come.
Yes. So when I call dream, say I engage gunshot with armed robber, and that day, no, they waiting. Now that day, me come out for the work. My mind come out. Though I never come out finish. So now that day, my mind come out for the job. And the day when one pastor meet me, say me give put a gun for a brother house, so that we'll come search the house, see the gun for the brother house, we'll come sentence and go prison, so that the land when they once said they'll see chancellor, and that day I just come for the job.
Pastor?
Yes, for Mission Road. Yes, the pastor. I know the pastor well. I know where.
Pastor, you want to set the brother up?
Yes. Now me will go tell the brother, say, I see what your brother want to. No, I know you tell her openly. We already arrange her. Yeah, now 2 times, in 2 ways they talk her. What really happened, he got one house when they back of a bank for Mission Road. One house, he did back of First Bank there. So they can't say bank want buy the house for 40 million. And the owner of the house, the first son of the house, not only in mama born and polygamous so. Then the man can say, no, whoever said the land, they will say that, yeah, he bury a parent. So because of that reason, they know sell the land.
Mm-hmm.
So, and the pastor once said that land by all means. Me and the brother for Lagos. So then they can't make trouble with the man. They can't report the case of my station and maybe the IPO. I can't go arrest the man. When I arrest the man constitution now, when I look the matter, I say that man are just innocent. But instantly, I can't like dictate the man. May I just find out what really happened. So now pastor come meet me, or he can't let me know, say this man, not be say really doing anything. You say the man in a poverty, man, the man want that put. Now say what thing happen? He said the main issue, the man want. If the man not allowed them sell the land, collect 40 million. So right now, the main thing when one make me do for the man, make me say if I do one, they will give me 5 million naira for inside the 40 million. That's okay. What is the issue? He can't say me the food as the man there inside say, make me say I want to go buy a food for inside say. Then I'll put poison for the food take kill the man. So that then we'll see chance to sell the house, make the case close. Or if we not fit do one, then we'll make allegations say the man an armed robber, he use gun threaten them. So we will go put gun for the man house. So that if we go search the house, we see the gun for the man house, we can't use and prosecute him. Either we shoot and die instantly, or we'll carry and go for life imprisonment. That's okay. The pastor get big church for Benin. I will call you tomorrow, tell you his name. So
the pastor get big church for Benin.
Yes, mommy.
Hey.
So now we say I can't call my father. Say see your opportunity because me just newly joined the job. And my father say no. Say me not trying, me not kill anybody because of money. Say if I stay for life, I go see that money. Say me not share any blood. As my father tell me that thing, my mind can't really just discourage. And my boss then still very nice man. I can't see go tell my guy, they see what this man talk. Oh. Now he can say, okay, whether me if he allow the man to repeat the word again. Now I say yes, I will call him for I will record the call. So I can't really call the man again, I can't record the call. So now my guy can use that call to arrest the pastor. For that brag, when me they thought that time I want to come up again. So after we arrest the pastor now, me not know what him or God pastor see. Before me know, but they don't release pastor on bail. Pastor not going to talk to me again.
You see?
So the man, they can't carry the case come on from my hand. They can't give another person. After like 2 months, I think I say they demolished the house. I don't even know what thing happened again, but it's not in my hand.
You not see?
I say it happened on me.
So
I say as I take collect bribe from my brother and everything, I come meet you, may you pray for me. Though I don't.
But I want to ask you a question for Benin Kingdom. Which area armed robber full pass, please?
The area where robber full pass, upper, it full upper where it full Iogbe, Oloton, Iogbe, Lagos Street. Upper Lagos Street, Iogbe, and those 3 areas might be the dangerous area for Benin mostly. And where you need Ugbowo. So now those areas for Benin are there be umbrella for Benin are there for the hide. Though they not even they hide, police know them. Most of our people know them. So not to say that they hide, they only they hide for civilians. They don't they too hide for police.
Hallelujah. Ah, Jesus, hallelujah. I'm a Kenezeke Lugure. Kere no. Hallelujah. God is so wonderful. Do you know why I love your testimony? You speak English. The whole world they listen. Scott again, which area I'm robber full for Benin? I want me to repeat that.
The area upper Ugbowo, Lagos Street and the Ogbe. Those areas so now no going area. So no going area. Those Ogbe TV Road, all those, just joined the journey, all those areas, so they don't they go there for nights. And Mission Road too. So, and they're the fool.
Okay. But
so
nobody,
most of our people,
the time when you be police, no any of those big men come tell you, say, come arrest so innocent person. Big men.
We they do some arrest, they don't be just arrest, we just go pick the person, just beat her. Sometimes we just, even though we see gun for their hand, no problem, as they see and they release her instantly. Big men, they commit crime for Benin mostly. And they use the